So dear student, today we are going to investigate how these bigger particles can dissolve in water. So first we have the sugar particle over here, and first we will put this sugar into a glass, and then we add some water, and then we are going to find out that how much time it will take to dissolve in it. Students, we are doing this experiment. First we are going to take the sugar into it, and we put a very normal water. And afterward, we are going to take some water inside and we are going to dissolve it, and we will note it down the time, that how much time it will take. Remember one thing, that it's a normal water and we are not using the hot water over here. Dear student, we have added sugar into it, and now we are going to put some water inside. Now, as we have put some water into it, now we are going to dissolve it, or we are going to stir it. You can see the particles are there, and it is still there over. And the most important thing, that this is not a very cold water, it is a very simple water, and even it is not a very hot water. So we can say this into, but the sugar is remain there. Now we are going to stir again. Still you can see that the sugar particles are there. So we can say that it will take some time. Now we'll do another experiment with the hot water. So stay with us, and we are going to show you that what happened when we are going to put hot water and we will add some sugar into it. Okay, dear students, as you can see that we put a granny into a glass, and we are going to add some hot water into it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now you can see that we have added into it, and we will start counting, as we have three important things there: the hot water and Gregory, and the surface area. You can see the surface area of the Gregory is bigger than the sugar particle. Now we are going to dissolve it. You can see that it will take, now you can see that this is dissolving right now, but the still particles are bigger. So the bigger particle will dissolve, but if the surface area of the particle is bigger, so it will take more time to dissolve in it. See, the particle is still there, and you can see that size is as much bigger, but some of the particle is going to be dissolved in water, and we are going to stir it. You can see that the steam is coming out from the glass, and we are dissolving into it. Now I'm going to show you that how it is going to be dissolved. Now you can see that the particles are completely dissolved into it. Now I'm going to show you. See, it's very hot, and the particle is completely dissolved into it. So the important thing is that temperature, rate of stirring, and the surface area. In this case, as we have taken a bigger particle of Gregory, which is more bigger as compared to the sugar, but the particle, as its surface area is bigger, but it was dissolved into hot water just because we have a temperature, rate of stirring, and it is dissolved earlier as compared to the cold water. Now, dear students, we are doing the sugar, we are dissolving the sugar with hot water. See, now you can see we are going to stirring. The steam is coming out from the glass, and you can see the particle is completely almost dissolved, but the few particles, if I am going to show you once again, a very few particles are there. Now you can see this. The particles are completely dissolved into it. So we can compare this thing. The surface area of the Gregory is bigger, but the surface area of sugar is very small. So temperature, the water is hot, we are stirring, and the surface area is smaller. So the sugar dissolved earlier as compared to the Gregory. I hope you have understood about this thing. We will come with another exciting experiments with you. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.